In this video, I'm going to demonstrate you how you can use the get function. The get is a very useful function. You can use it for many use cases. So whenever you call a get, it have a couple of input and a one output only. So you can use this thing for door system or any type of logic verifying system such as like puzzle solving system as well, because it's a very useful. So to demonstrate this thing, let me just take a kick to give you continuous input, and let me just add a delay kind of like 1, so it don't give me a very per frame output. And as a exit, let's take a string called hello. So the gate is more like a door, it's happening. The enter is basically, it's mean like you are trying to push it in the door, and you're trying to continuously pushing the door, and you want to come out on another side from the door, which is the exit. The gate has three system, which is open, stay in close, and a toggle. So open is more like the gate will be open whenever you execute this one, and the close will be if there's a gate is open, it's going to close automatically. The toggle is until you are holding that door to keep it open, it's going to be open, and if you push it back or just you stay it's going to be basically close the door automatically. After that, have a stay and close, which is a boolean. So it's going to be in the first time whenever it's running, do you want to keep it as a open or close, this boolean will be determined. If you click it as a true, it's going to be close the door when it's executing. But in later one, if you just click on like this, the door going to be close, open, stay in open. Okay. To demonstrate these last three functions or execution, let me take a couple of keys, such as like E, keyboard. Then let's take F keyboard, and lastly the G keyboard. To understand also that which keyboard I'm pressing, so I'm adding a print string before that. So let's take E and open, duplicate, F for closed, and lastly the G is for toggle. Also, because the toggle is more like until you're pressing it, so I'm just using the press and release as well to get the board toggle type input. Now compile and save. If I click on play, you can see it's this thing in closed. Okay. Now if I click on E, now you can see the hello world start pressing. Now if you want like to close this door, what you can do, we can press F. You can see we press the F, the door is closed. You can see we are not seeing any print string now. If I keep holding the G keyboard, you will see start the print string. Okay, but if I just get back my hand or take my hand off from the keyboard, you can see the print string has been gone. So it's more like this. In this way, you can actually use a gate. The gate is simple thing, but with this thing, you can literally create lots of logic. For example, if I give you a mechanics example, it's more like you can verify that if you have the key or not. But before you have to key that, or if you have the key to verify it, you have to check the inventory is open or not, or the inventory is already the backpack is full or not. And also if you are basically hold upping or continuously checking, so you can press the G and output will become as a have the key or not. So it's more like something like that. So I guess you understand. Thank you so much for watching. See you next video. Bye bye.